Where's the squirrel going? Just wants more nuts. Here comes the guard to feed the squirrel. There you go. Here comes the bird to steal the squirrel's nuts. He's just lounging on his stomach while he eats. Where's this girl?